Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Premiere can physically access your files, locate the original source folders, and confirm file names. Once those are identified, use File Link Media and point Premiere to the exact path, not a copy. Make sure extensions and drive letters match the project references, and verify read permissions on external drives. This step fixes most pending media issues quickly because Premiere simply cannot link to moved or renamed files, so relinking is the fastest first action. Once relinking is done, address deeper causes. Clear the media cache and media cache database so Premiere reconforms audio and video. If files still show pending, recreate or relink proxies. Proxies often break when source moves. If codec issues persist, transcode to a stable codec like DNxHR or ProRes using Media Encoder, then relink. Also check interpret footage for frame rate or alpha mismatches. Correcting these tells Premiere how to read files and often resolves stubborn pending status. You finish by consolidating. Save a copy as a new project and use Project Manager to gather files into one folder, which eliminates path confusion. Import that cleaned copy into a fresh Premiere project and render the timeline to confirm media is active. If issues remain, transcode the offending clips to DNxHR or ProRes, reinstall any third-party codecs, and verify disk permissions. One key tip: if media still shows pending, try opening a short transcoded test clip in Premiere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.